is the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, and this is by Perfective. This product was sent to me by naturallycurly.com. I am not being paid for my review of this product. Everything is my own honest opinion. Always got to put that disclaimer out there. This is what the product looks like. It's a very thick, as you see, deep conditioner, off-white color. It smells good to me. I don't know. Kind of smells like that Dark and Lovely All Natural conditioner.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living in my mama's house, we argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, told you bring it right back. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show, cause we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team. Boys tell stories about the man. Say I never struggled, wasn't hungry, yeah, I doubt it. Nigga, I could turn a boy into a man. There ain't really much I hear that's popping up without us, nigga. We just want the credit where it's due. I'ma worry about me, give a fuck about you, nigga. Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from...
Hey guys, so I am back. It is now 2 days later from when I first put the deep conditioner in, and what I've come to, this is it after 2 days. What I've come to realize is that I can't wear this shower cap long term to keep in the conditioner. For some reason, air is somehow getting in there. I'm guessing because my head is too small. Maybe if the shower cap had a drawstring, I'd be able to close it and cinch it on my hair. I'm trying to take this bobby pin out of my hair, so if you see me looking down, that's why. And yeah, so this part of my hair is a little drier than this. Is still damp, but this part is pretty much dry. Which let me know I could probably use this deep conditioner as a styler, but I am in love with the smell of it. Like, and you can see the difference, how this is still weighed down and this has kind of got some body to it. And you can see the length difference as this is shrunken up some. But I'm just going to get ready and rinse this out. I am going to do it in the sink, so I'm not going to show that. But if I was in the shower, it would be the same as if I rinse out my, how I rinse out my shampoo. I pretty much just do this and kind of like, you know, squeeze it until it runs clear and I don't see any more like cloudiness in the water, until the water runs clear. So when I rinse this out, I will come back and show you the results of what it looks and feel like. Alright, be back. So this is after I rinsed it all out, and this video is going to serve dual purpose. So this is how I deep condition my hair, and then as you knew, I'm also reviewing the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner by Perfective. And so I ended up using about this much of the container. There you go. So I used a lot because my hair was also kind of dry when I was applying it, because I was babysitting at the time, so I was taking care of the baby after I've washed the shampoo out of my hair. So for the first 5 ingredients of this product is water, mineral oil, propylene glycol, polyquat 37, and another PPG1. And then after that it has olive oil and shea butter and a whole bunch of other oils. So I don't think it's that bad of a product. It does have mineral oil as the second ingredient, but I've used other conditioners that had mineral oil in it, so I don't find that a problem. But I am also interested in using this as a, like a, I guess as a curl definer, because I like the way my curls are looking when my hair is kind of dry. So now that I've rinsed it all out, and this is my dog's towel, so don't judge me. I'll show you the little, it's a microfiber towel, but it's for my dog. It's the little doggy on it. So don't judge me. But my hair is all rinsed out now, and it feels okay. It's not the worst. It feels a little moisturized, but it's not the most moisturized conditioner I've ever tried. So it's okay. Maybe like a 7 out of 10. It's okay. I do want to try it as a styler though, because I like the way my curls were. But it did leave my curls pretty clumped, as you can see here. I don't have a lot of frizz, and I usually have some halo of a frizz at the crown of my head because that's the most unruly and usually in my hairline. So I don't have that problem. So I say it's a pretty good deep conditioner. Decent. I love the way it smells though, and it has a long shelf life. And you get 15 ounces. I don't know the price, but I will leave it on the screen somewhere. And so I give it like a 7 out of 10. It works decent. So for the next installment of this series, I will show you how I moisturize my hair and then how I style it, and that will be the complete routine. So stay tuned.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team in. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stays the same, I never change it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Stories stay the same through the money and the fame, cause we started from the bottom, now we're